In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update related records using Salesforce Flow. By the end, you'll know how to build a record-triggered flow, optimize it for actions on related records, and configure an email action to notify the right people when your criteria are met. Start by opening Salesforce and heading to your home page. From there, click the gear icon to open settings, and then choose the option to open the full setup experience. This takes you into the admin area where we'll create and manage automations. In Setup, use the Quick Find box to search for flows and then click into the Flows page. Select New Flow, and when prompted for the type, choose Record Triggered Flow. This is the go-to option when you want your automation to fire automatically as soon as a record is created or updated. Next, pick the object you want the flow to monitor, such as an account, opportunity, or a custom object. Set the entry conditions carefully so the flow only runs when it truly needs to. For example, you might have it trigger when a status field reaches a specific value or when a checkbox is selected. Being precise here helps you avoid unnecessary runs and keeps your org performant. When you're asked to optimize the flow, select Actions and Related Records. This setting is designed for flows that perform follow-up actions, including updates to related records, and it ensures the flow has what it needs to work efficiently across parent-child relationships. On the Flow canvas, click the plus icon to add an element. Choose Action, search for Send Email, and give the action a clear descriptive name so future admins immediately understand its purpose. Good naming conventions make maintenance much easier. Configure the email action by setting the body, subject, and email addresses. You can reference fields from the triggering record right in the subject or body to personalize the message, for example, pulling in a record name, an owner, or a key date. For multiple recipients, separate addresses with commas, and consider using organization-wide addresses if your policies require it. Keep the content concise and actionable, and be mindful of any email limits set by your edition or deliverability settings. Now save your flow, giving it a meaningful name and description that explains when it runs and what it does. Use debug to test with a real record so you can see each step execute and confirm the outputs look right. Once everything checks out, activate the flow so it begins running for your users. That's it. You've created a record-triggered flow optimized for actions on related records and set up an automated email to keep stakeholders informed.